past 3 days have been fantastic about getting a really diverse group of people. We've all come with very different mindsets, and actually the 3 days have been a melting pot of different views and working through the same problem.
Thinking about the challenge, we want you to help us design what this new system will look like. We mustn't forget that this is a system and we are redesigning a system.
I think the highlight for me over the past 3 days has been working on something which is very much in the future and working with such skilled people. The combined brain power has been really spectacular. It's been really good.
By bringing stakeholder skills together, you're able to accelerate thinking.
It's that mixture of inspiration with doing. I really loved hearing from Joe Ferry, I've loved hearing the little snippets, I've loved seeing the tools. But then actually it's one thing to learn and hear things, it's another thing to actually use them. That's the real highlight, the ability to have a safe space to try it.
Meeting the end users was very powerful. This way, actually you get some typical reactions. They may be good ones, they may not be good ones, but they're real.
It's been a bit like getting a glimpse into the future. Very interesting to see different ideas of how, I guess, train stations are going to change and how our experience as customers is going to change in the future.
They really had some good ideas there, and we actually put forward our suggestions where we think it can be improved a little bit more for the customers and for people in the future.
What surprised me the most is actually the progress we've made. At the end of day one, where you've almost covered the challenge, end of day two, you've just got loads of post-it notes, and suddenly it all just comes together, almost like by magic.
The depth of knowledge, the amount of great ideas that are coming out of the teams.
It's not one person that produces the ideas, it's the whole team, and how we've then generated from that. That's the biggest surprise. You never thought we would have produced this much.
The process has been really good actually, and the stuff that we've been going through today, which we've been discussing for months back at base, and we've actually got an answer here, and I think that's really impressive.
Taken away a lot from this. We need to look at how we plan things better. We do have technology which can help with this already. I think that the future is really exciting.
Ticket barriers. They're so last century technology.
My biggest takeaway is the fact that we do need to look at the advances in technology and the way we can use that to create a different type of gate line, a different type of access.
We trust you to buy a ticket to travel at some stage in your journey. This one really felt the one that was the freshest idea, that was the real paradigm shift, because it was really going to change the way we felt about the railway.
The world is constantly evolving, and this technology is going to be coming at us whether we like it or not. And I think for LNER as Innovation Manager, I want to make sure that we're the first ones to do it and work with HS2 to implement a really good solution for 2026.